Welcome to Raj Pipe Industries, your trusted steel material dealer. We provide high-quality steel products like pipes, sheets, rods, and beams for construction, manufacturing, and industrial projects. With years of experience, we ensure reliable, durable materials that meet your project needs. Raj Pipe Industries proudly presents high-performance MS beams, engineered to meet the rigorous demands of modern construction. Crafted from premium-grade mild steel, our MS beams offer exceptional strength, dimensional accuracy, and long-term durability, making them an essential component in structural engineering. Designed to provide superior load-bearing capacity, these beams are ideal for a wide range of applications, including residential buildings, commercial complexes, industrial structures, bridges, and heavy frameworks. Their robust design resists bending, warping, and corrosion, even under extreme conditions. Easy to fabricate and install, Raj Pipe Industries MS beams ensure structural integrity and cost-effective performance throughout the life of your project. Whether you're building from the ground up or reinforcing an existing structure, trust our beams to deliver unmatched reliability and support.